One of the most common code smells is methods that live in the wrong class. So how do you decide where a method belongs? The golden rule is data ownership. A method should belong to the class that owns the data it operates on. If your calculate total method needs and orders items and prices, it belongs in the order class, not some external service. This keeps related data and behavior together, making your code easier to understand and maintain. Next, consider the single responsibility principle. Each class should have one clear job, and methods should align with that responsibility. A bank account class should handle deposit and withdrawal operations, but sending email notifications belongs in a notification service. When you're tempted to add a method, ask yourself, does this fit the class's core purpose? If not, it probably belongs elsewhere. Third, reduce coupling by avoiding methods that reach into other objects' internals. This is called feature envy. If a method in class A constantly accesses fields from class B, that method probably belongs in B. The law of Demeter says talk to your friends, not your friends' friends. Keep dependency simple and direct. Finally, think about inheritance and polymorphism. When behavior varies by subtype, define the method in a base class or interface, then override it in subclasses. For example, an abstract shape class might define a calculate area method that each concrete shape implements differently. This keeps shared contracts at the top and specific implementations at the bottom. So remember, put methods where the data lives, respect single responsibility, and minimize coupling. Master this and your code will be cleaner and more maintainable. Subscribe for more interview tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.